Well,
what's going on?
okay, so I was trying to convince Elle to let me hold her, but she's
ready to cook.
she's ready to cook.
Yeah.
So Lucy is going to probably tell me what to do today. That's kind of scary. What you doing, baby girl?
Oh, I know what she's
What you
doing.
want?
When I was cutting those Blackberry bars, she thought she was gonna get some.
Oh,
Let's see if she likes some.
okay. Here, I'll help you out a little bit.
So I thought that today we would make a shortbread bar with blackberries. I knew that my last segment, my last segment with you, no, I had to make something sweet.
Yes. Thank you.
So, you want to try it?
Let's see. She's like, I don't know,
If
Mom.
you were your brother Nick, you'd be eating it up. I think she's just ready to get started.
Yeah, she is.
So Little, which we call her, right when we brought her home from the hospital, Spiro started calling her Little.
Yeah.
And it's just stuck.
It's so cute.
Little Charagotis is a big name for. Oh no! She has a runny nose this morning.
All the moms out there are like, I know exactly. Oh, you got a tissue?
Yes.
Baby.
So this little girl is my sweet little angel. She really is. She's rough and tough because she's always
with the
chasing
boys
after her brothers. So she's fun though.
Yeah.
She's a lot of fun.
She's having a good time.
So I thought we'd make a really simple dessert today. So if you want to help me get started on the blackberry preserve, so I have 2 6-ounce containers of blackberries in here.
Okay. What do you need me to turn this on?
How about like 6 or so? And then if you wouldn't mind adding 1.5 cups of our sugar.
Man, this is the most work I've ever done in a segment with you. Watch out.
I know. And then there's our cinnamon. So we're going to do half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay.
Yep, we're going to do the whole thing.
I was like, don't let me throw the whole thing in there if I'm not supposed to.
You will start mashing them up.
Sure will.
I have a potato masher that, you know, you kind of just work it down. And then we'll also add.
It's a good arm workout.
I know.
Like holding Elle is, I'm sure.
Yes, she is. She is definitely a handful, and she is definitely on the move for sure, which is a lot of fun. You know, it's funny. A lot of parents don't like the day when their kids start walking, and I'm like, please start walking.
Right.
Because it's just, they want to get up and play and do, and it's just so much easier for me when they can walk around and play and do things.
For those who don't know, Elle is Lucy and Spiro's youngest. They have twin boys as well. And how old are they, Lucy?
They are a little over 3. So
you have 2 twin 3-year-olds. And then you have this little
and a
tiny
15-month-old. Yep. So we had 3 under 3 for a while, and really, when the twins were about 2, is when we started our online shopping at Greer's. And ever since we started that, I have barely shopped with a buggy inside the grocery store.
I know. I was about to say, last week I think we talked about that I saw a picture of Elle with a bunch of groceries all around her in the back seat.
Yes, she, all you have to do is, you know, just choose whatever you want online and go, and don't have to go inside the grocery store. We can just bring it right out to your car. And we also have delivery options too now. My sister doesn't even go to the store and pick it up. She has it delivered right to her house. We have Port City Deliveries, who is our local person here that delivers for us. We also have Instacart, and we're also about to start with Shipt. So we have curbside pickup. I know, curbside pickup, which is, you know, completely free, and delivery options. So I know for me, it's super helpful, and for lots of people with busy lives. So all we're going to do is bring that up to a boil and reduce the heat, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be mixing up our shortbread crust.
All right, well, we're going to get busy doing that. I don't know how you do it. You talk and you cook at the same time, because I'm real focused on what I'm doing right now, Joe.